You've landed on the moon show, and I know many people are lazy. They want to make money when they sleep without having to do anything. Well, that's where trading bots come in. I'm going to show you how to use them on BloFin. And if that sounds interesting, just keep watching this video. So let me go straight in here, and before we dive straight into this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up, and also click the link at the top of the description, because there you can get a reward of 35 USDT from BloFin with a minimum trading volume of up to 500k, and the more you trade, the more bonus you get. You can actually get up to 100,000 USDT trading bonus, which is mind-blowing, with my link. So use the link down below. BloFin is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that lets you automate your trading strategies with its trading bot. The platform offers several trading bots, including grid bots, signal bots, DCA, and more. You can use these bots both in spot and futures trading on the platform. The process of setting up these bots is straightforward, and they provide automated trading options for those who prefer a hands-off approach or want to test advanced strategies. But before I explain to you what BloFin trading bots are and how you can use them, it is essential for you to first understand what exactly trading bots are and how they can help you in achieving your trading targets. So guys, what are trading bots? Trading bots are automated trading tools that execute trades on your behalf based on predefined strategies and parameters. By removing emotional decision making and enabling 24/7 automated execution, trading bots help you improve discipline, capture market opportunities, and manage risk more consistently, especially in fast-moving crypto markets. Instead of spending hours watching charts, trading bots monitor price levels, indicators, and market conditions around the clock and place trades instantly when conditions are met. Their biggest advantage is removing emotional decision-making, such as fear and greed, while maintaining discipline and consistency. Operating throughout the day and night, trading bots react faster and more precisely to changing market conditions, which is especially valuable in highly volatile crypto markets, where automation can be the difference between acting at the right moment and reacting too late. Now, trading bots support different trading styles, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. You can use grid bots to run grid strategies that buy low and sell high within a defined price range, or futures bots which trade leveraged markets while managing risk through preset rules. You can run trend-based bots that follow market momentum to capture directional moves, while arbitrage bots take advantage of price differences across exchanges or markets. Additionally, DCA bots help you enter or exit positions gradually over time. This flexibility allows you to automate strategies that align with your goals, experience level, and risk appetite. If you look at the trading bots from a broader market perspective, they are becoming popular among traders for multiple reasons. These bots change the way you trade cryptocurrencies. You know that the crypto market is volatile, with prices moving sharply in very short periods. It can make it difficult for you to respond to changing market conditions, especially when trading manually. Trading bots solve this problem by continuously monitoring the market and executing trades instantly according to predefined rules, ensuring no opportunities are missed. At the same time, AI and automation are transforming global financial markets, and crypto is at the forefront of this shift. Trading bots help you stay competitive in a 24/7 market where prices move around the clock across different regions and time zones. These bots don't get tired, distracted, or emotional, and they follow strategies with precision and consistency. Institutions have relied on such automated systems for years to manage risk and capitalize on market movements efficiently. Now, platforms like BloFin are making these powerful tools accessible to you, highlighting why trading bots are no longer optional, but a key part of modern crypto trading. Also, trading bots deliver value in different ways depending on your style and goals. If you are a grid trader, bots help generate more consistent returns in sideways or ranging markets by automatically buying low and selling high within set levels. And if you are a futures trader and believe in leveraging cryptocurrencies, trading bots can benefit you from fast execution and strict management rules that are crucial in leveraged markets where timing and discipline matter most. If you are a swing trader, bots can help you automate your entries and exits, allowing you to capture medium-term price moves without constantly watching charts. On the other hand, for long-term traders, trading bots systematically build or reduce positions over time, removing guesswork and emotional decisions. While bots don't replace a solid trading strategy, they excel at executing that strategy with speed, precision, and consistency. So now you know what trading bots are, but how to use them on BloFin. Well, I'm gonna show it to you right now. Just make sure you sign up with the link at the top of the description to BloFin to get your first initial sign up and deposit bonus. And then now let's get straight into the content. To use trading bots on BloFin, the first thing you need to do is create an account and make a deposit on the platform. For this, you can watch my full BloFin tutorial that I made earlier to learn all the steps to create an account and make a deposit. Once you have successfully created your account and deposited funds, you can start trading cryptocurrencies on BloFin using its trading bots. BloFin offers trading bots both in its spot and futures markets. If you are someone who believes in trading crypto based on the current market prices, you can automate your trading strategies using trading bots in the spot section on BloFin. Conversely, if you want to leverage digital currencies, you can use trading bots in the futures section on BloFin. It's all your choice. The method of setting these bots in both markets is similar, and you don't need to follow any different setup. So, which trading bots are offered on BloFin? Currently, BloFin offers a diverse set of trading bots tailored to different market conditions and trading needs. On the BloFin website, you click either the Spot or Futures tab in the menu bar, then select Trading Bots, and it will take you to the corresponding page. Here, you can see that BloFin offers different trading bots such as Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Futures DCA, Signal Bot, and TWAP bot. You can select these bots based on market conditions, such as bullish, bearish, or sideways. It all depends on the market conditions in which you are trading. So BloFin has made it easy for you to automate your trading strategy based on changing market conditions. The Spot Grid bot automates your spot trading strategies during volatile and sideways market conditions. It automatically buys low and sells high within a predefined price range by placing multiple grid orders. You have the Futures Grid bot that supports leverage and is best for volatile futures markets. The bot applies the grid strategy to perpetual futures contracts, allowing you to profit from price swings with leverage. Next, the Futures DCA bot is best for trending markets and drawdown recovery. The bot gradually builds positions across different price levels to optimize the average entry price. It helps in managing risk and market volatility by automatically entering positions in parts over time, reducing the impact of poor timing while maintaining consistent exposure in leveraged markets. Next, the Signal bot automatically executes trades based on external and internal signals with low latency. It helps you act instantly on market opportunities without manual intervention. Lastly, you have the TWAP, time-weighted average price bot, which is commonly used by advanced traders and is best for large orders and for slippage control. The bot splits a large order into multiple smaller orders and executes them over time to reduce market impact. Now, you know about the available trading bots on BloFin. I will show you how to set up a trading bot in both the spot and futures markets on the platform. Click here on Spot in the top of the menu bar, select Trading Bots, and it will take you to this page. To use a trading bot, first make sure you have funds in your spot wallet. For this, you click on Assets, select Funding, select the asset, and then click on Transfer. Make sure you are transferring funds to your spot wallet, enter the amount you want to transfer or click All to transfer all funds, review the order details and click on Confirm. Once the funds are in your spot wallet, you can start trading crypto using trading bots. Now, on the trading bots page, click here on Spot Grid and it will take you to the corresponding trading interface. Here you can see that you can set the bot either using an AI strategy or manually. Click here and select the trading pair you want to trade, for example, BTC/USDT. You can set up different AI strategies for your Spot Grid bot, review the APR, annual percentage rate, and profit per grid for each strategy, and select the one that best suits your trading goals. Next, click Create Now. Enter the investment amount and click Create. To manually create the Spot Grid bot, you click here and select the trading pair such as BTC/USDT. Click here on Manual, set the lowest and highest prices. After this, enter the number of grids, enter the amount to invest, and click Create. Double check the grid bot information you have created and then click on Confirm to start trading. Now, to create a trading bot in the futures market, first transfer funds to your futures wallets such as USDT margin, USDC margin, or coin margin, depending on the type of perpetual contract you are trading using the trading bot. For this, click here on Assets, select Funding, choose the crypto, and then click Transfer. Click here and select the futures wallet such as USDT margin, enter the transfer amount, or click All to transfer all funds. review the order details, and click confirm. Once you have funds in your futures wallet, you can start trading perpetual contracts using bots. You go back to the trading bot page, select a trading bot such as Futures Grid, and it will take you to the corresponding interface. You can create Futures Grid bots in two ways. To create the bot using the AI strategy, click here and select the trading pair such as BTCUSDT perpetual. Select the order direction from buy, sell, or neutral. Review the APR and profit per grid of each strategy. Select the AI strategy that suits you and click create now. Enter the amount to invest, and you can also add the take profit and stop loss prices for better control, which is optional. Review the details and then click on create. To manually create the Futures Grid bot, click here and select the trading pair. In this case, I am selecting BTCUSDT perpetual. Select the order direction from buy, sell, or neutral. Set the lowest and highest prices and enter the number of grids. Click here and set your preferred leverage. Remember, trading with a higher leverage poses a greater risk of liquidation, so always be careful when selecting leverage. After this, enter the amount to invest. You can also add take profit and stop loss prices for better control, which is optional. After this, click on create. Double check the grid bot information you have created and then click on confirm to start trading. So getting started with BloFin trading bots is straightforward, and you can easily set a bot either in the spot market or the futures market. You simply choose your market, select a bot, set its preferred parameters, and launch, letting the system handle execution automatically. Thank you so much for watching this BloFin tutorial. If you haven't seen my main BloFin tutorial, it's popping up right here. You have to go and watch this one. See you over there. Bye-bye.